Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to free up iPhone storage without deleting your photos. To do so, first of all open your settings and then scroll down till you see general. Now click on general and then scroll down and click on iPhone storage. Here you can review which apps are using the most storage space. You can enable offload unused apps to remove apps while keeping their data. You can also clear Safari website data and remove large message attachments. To clear your Safari website, go back and scroll down till you see Safari. Click on it, scroll down and click on clear history and website data and clear. You can also review downloaded media inside apps like TikTok, Netflix and Spotify. These steps can free up a surprising amount of space without touching your photo library. And that's it. That's how to free up iPhone storage. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.